Want to start using Splice for video editing, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Splice app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Splice, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Splice at the top. Tap Splice when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Splice. That's all it takes to download Splice. If you're curious to try out other video editing apps, check out our video on how to get the CapCut app next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.